la escuela más
Chévere. Los leones de Osborne rugen con
respeto y con orgullo. My name is Sophia Ching and I'm your school's historian and I'm from Senora Cisneros' class.
I am Callie Machado. I'm your guys' VP and I'm from Senora Reynoso's class.
This character trait this month is focus.
Focus by listening to your teachers and trying your best.
Focus and commit yourself to speaking Spanish during Spanish time.
Estamos aquí en Osborne para aprender español e inglés.
Sí se puede, Osborne. Now it's time for the You Matter attendance raffle.
Be here all day, every day for a chance to win. Third grader in Senora Alvarez's class, Alonso Gonzalez.
Okay. Second grade from Senora Rodriguez's class, Abby Ponce Sanchez.
Now it's time for the roar raffle. Gildaro Pozos from Senora Velasquez for being outstanding and responsible.
Okay, from Senora Chavez, Ava Vieira.
Congratulations to the winners.
Before we go, a friendly reminder to use your toolbox tools.
Up next, our school counselor, Senora Cortez.
Take it away, Mrs. Cortez.
Hi, Osborne Lions. This is Angelica, your school counselor. This week, we're going to be talking about our garbage can tool. Our garbage can tool says, I let the little things go. I let the little things go. And this is how we show our garbage can tool. You'll watch right here, the little boy showing our garbage can tool as well. So he's throwing away the little things and he's not letting them bother him. He's letting them go and forgetting about them. If it's something medium or big, then you want to talk to an adult about it. But those little things, you want to let them go so that they don't bother us. Here's an example of what can we keep and what do we hold on to. So here's an activity that you can do on your own. You trace your two hands. On one hand, you want to put what you want to hold on to, and you want to make sure that those things that you hold on to are helpful to you. Those are the things that you love, the people that you care about, thoughts that are positive. And on the other hand, you want to let go of the little things. And so here are some examples of what are some things I can let go of. We're also going to listen to a garbage can tool song, so please stick around and remember to use your toolbox tools.
What you gonna do when they act like that? What you gonna do when they talk like that? What you gonna do when they give you trash? Put it in the garbage can. Put it in the garbage can. What you gonna do when they're mean to you? What you gonna do when they're acting cruel? What you gonna do when they're talking trash? Put it in the garbage can. Put it in the garbage can. Well, I know it hurts when they pick on you, try to make you feel bad, try to make you feel blue. But there's only one thing you can do. Put it in the garbage can. Put it in the garbage can. What you gonna do when it's only you and you're facing down that motley crew after they're done trashing you? Put it in the garbage can. Put it in the garbage can. Now what they say just isn't true. It says more about them than it does about you. Don't take it too hard, don't put it under your skin. Put it in the garbage can. Put it in the garbage can. So the next time the bullet comes your way, smile and say, have a nice day. If you've got trash, don't bring it my way. Put it in the garbage can. 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 Yeah.